The oceans are vast, sparse, and corrosive, one of the most challenging environments we've ever encountered. But the oceans are also absolutely vital to our species and our planet. We produce nearly half of our energy offshore, discover more than 10 cancer-fighting drugs, and harvest over 90 million tons of food every year. Yet 95% of the ocean remains unexplored. The ocean is truly the next frontier. As marine industries move farther offshore, they require a wealth of ocean data critical to their operations, safety, and strategy. Last year, over $80 billion was spent on acquiring ocean data. How do we acquire this data? We venture out on ships staffed with people that are highly trained and hardened against this extreme environment. The problem facing a host of maritime industries today is that the ships and people that carry equipment and perform work in the middle of the ocean are brutally expensive. These costs create a bottleneck that prevents us from capitalizing on major advances in sensor technologies and sampling techniques because the fundamental delivery method hasn't changed in centuries. That is, until now. Autonomous marine systems has brought the rigor of aerospace engineering together with recent breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and naval architecture to develop the Catamaran. The Catamaran is a fully autonomous, efficient, wing-sailed surface drone. Powered exclusively by clean, plentiful wind and solar energy, this new platform allows sensors and instrumentation to be operated in the deep ocean for long durations without any human intervention or fuel. It is 100% sustainable and produces zero CO2 emissions. It can accumulate better data faster than any other technique available. AMS is using this low-cost autonomous vessel in self-optimizing networks to collect and transmit millions of data points over massive areas simultaneously. Most exciting, all of these new capabilities can be leveraged at a cost that is 100 times lower than today's methods. At Autonomous Marine Systems, we're bound by our love of the oceans and our commitment to push sensing technology to meet the challenge of its stewardship. Let's explore and deliver on the promises held at sea together.